Hi everyone, I'm Lydia and today I want to share with you another collage process video. And I will speak about how to use contrast in your collages to make it more interesting to view. Here is the material for today's collage, a very colorful collection of collage pieces. I really like the red-pink shape here on this paper, so I will use this as a starting point. Maybe I can use this piece of tissue paper to create a kind of transition from the painted paper to the white background. This warm orange looks very nice beside the more of a cooler red. I like to play with contrast in my collage compositions. There are so many possibilities. You can create contrast by using a number of different visual elements, including color, value, texture, and form. To combine unlike visual elements creates meaning and intensify the characteristics of the work. It's one of the best tools to engage a viewer and create meaning. Look at this turquoise beside the red. Both are very intense, loud colors, but somehow they neutralize each other when used together. Oh, I like that even more. Only a touch of turquoise together with this dark green looks so nice beside the red. Another great contrast here is this big red-orange shape beside the small green shape. All these shapes are different in size and color, but their values are very similar. So how to bring in more contrast? I use this white shape because it creates a very strong value contrast. A bit more of the white. Maybe I can integrate a bit more color here. I changed the edge of this white shape a bit to bring in something different. And maybe I can integrate that plain white shape a bit more by adding more color. Yeah, I like this shape. And I really like this light brown tissue paper with letters on it. Let's see how it looks when I use this as a background layer. Very nice. And this large number is a Nice contrast to the small letters on the upper right side of the collage. Okay, that's it. Let's start gluing. I start to fix these smaller pieces. Then I glue down the background pieces. This turquoise looks very nice beside the brown, the light brown. There is an air bubble under the paper. I cut the paper with a scalpel and then I add some glue, and now I can easily remove the air bubble. So I hope you find this helpful and it inspires you to start creating. Use your scraps or paints and create something. Thank you so much for watching. Have fun with your materials and happy creating. Bye bye.